Yeah, pleasant good evening, my peeps. So right now, I head out on the beach this evening. Yeah, man. Just know, I go out on the beach. I show you what I go on. Yeah, man, the beautiful view and them thing there. So as you know, see what I go on. They here, see you here. Yeah, man, I go on normal now, you know. Yeah, man, that is it now, guys. Yeah, gully. Yeah, man, people, so I go on. Gully that now. Yeah, man, that is it, man. So right now, I touch upon the beach now, guys. So just like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, peeps. So right now, there at Pocky Spring, we come down now, guys. People, this Pocky Spring here, so the water clean, crystal clear and pretty, you know, guys. Yeah, man, as you know, see, step down. Yeah, man, when I go down, go catch water. Yeah, man, so right now, so I go on. Yeah, man, the river come down nice and pretty, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so I just show you what I go on. That is it. Booming out here, you know, guys. What I go on, eh? That I go on, my peeps. Yeah, man. As you now see this lovely guinea grass, the in front of it. Make the place look nice and pretty when the water touch the guinea grass. It give it a nice greenish look now, guys. As you now see, banana tree then get water. Give thanks to Father God. See you know. Yeah, man, him bless the banana tree then. Yeah, man, him bless the coconut tree. See you here. So, catch me up on the beach. That is it. Out there.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life, and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
Yeah, people, check in. So right now I'm there here with the lovely sunset behind the scene. Yeah, man. So right now, guys, it looks very beautiful and pretty. Meanwhile, the river come down now, guys. Yeah, man. Don't know say the rain fall hard, so the river come down. Yeah, man. So people, it's a nice look to see what's going on. Yeah, man. Right now, enough water there here to water the plants, them and thing. Yeah, man. So when the river come down, the plants them like the cane and stuff where they on the riverside get water now, guys. As you can see, sunset nice and beautiful now, guys. So right now, just look on the view, guys. If you even have a house right here, so and you're there up on your balcony and I look down on the view, it's nice now, guys. Wonderful, you know. Yeah, man. That is it now, guys. Just like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell them come look on the beautiful view they out here, you know. That is it, man. Yeah, people, so they here this evening once more again. Don't know, so river come down here, guys. So right now, water brown now, guys. I'm afraid to cross it now. But me I go cross it same way, you know. I go do it for now, guys. Yeah, man. So right now, they here. As on here, water run on this hard now, guys. Yeah, man. Hard. You know now, guys. Yeah. Water go on there. Water brown. Look over there, so guys. Yeah, man, that a go on, peeps. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man. Right now, I never know if the water deep now, guys. Tell you the truth now. That's it, guys. Look there, guys. Look there. That a go on, my people. Yeah, man. That a go on, guys. Water brown, brown, brown. Yeah, guys. That is it. So, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe now. Yeah, man. So, when we reach near it, we will turn on back the camera. Yeah, pleasant good evening, peeps. So right now, I cross the water now. Yeah, man. So as you can see, I'm on the next side. Yeah, man. On bus, I come out on the beach, see you way. Yeah, man. It look like a spread. Yeah, man. So right now, guys, just come out here for sure what I go on. As you can see, water brown and thing now. Yeah, man. That is it, now, guys. Yeah, man. So you don't know, the water come down heavy, guys. As you can see what I go on. Yeah, man, as you can see, mouth no look pretty and thing. I don't know if I cross it now or I stop push part in there or what, but I forward same way, so I know how I go on. Yeah, man, so just come out here, show a nice little evening vlog for how the water stay out here. Yeah man, so I go on there guys. That I go on now. Look like he might cross it now. Don't know if he might cross it still, but boy, people, what time I cross it man. That I go on the peeps. I go now so I go and see it. Never know so when I cross it, watch it. That I go on the people. Yeah man. Cross it, watch it. Yeah. Yeah man peeps. So me I tell you no. The bus come across the water now guys. Yeah man, it's a nice, beautiful look now. So right now, I touch out on the beach, show no how I go on, and thing now. Yeah man, that is it now guys. Yeah, pleasant good evening now guys. So right now I'm there here, back on the beach again. Show no how I go on now guys. So I go up the sea, and I go down the sea now, and I go up the sea. Show no how I go on now guys in the evening now. Yeah man, don't know. Least pan more bus now guys. Yeah man, cause true to the heavy rain will come down and thing. Yeah man, the water mouth bust. So right now I go down there, I show no how I go on. As I'm done did I show no how I go on already with the bus and thing, and the bus come across the water. So now go see that now guys. Yeah man, that is it now man peeps. So right now, head down there. So me catch back when me reach down there now guys. See you all gone? Beautiful out here, you know. That is it. Peace out. Yeah, people, no one can cross it, now, guys. Look what I got. No one can cross it, now, peeps. Yeah, people, so I go on there. Right now, water, mouth, bust, now, guys. Whole heap of rain will fall, bust the river mouth. Yeah, man, guys. So right now, just a show no how I go on. I really a go near it. But you know, so it's a danger. Yeah, man, because the sun can break down and drop in it, now, guys. So my yeah, people, so I go on. Don't know. The sun has set and thing now, guys. So right now, as long as I go on, the river mouth come down and thing now, guys. Yeah, man, the river mouth burst and thing to the pressure. So my safety, me no really a tree go near it now, guys. Yeah, man, cause you don't know. My safety, me now go to go near it and thing now, guys. Me have to protect myself now. Cause the banking can broke down, me drop in it. So you don't know. Me really a tree go near it. Me just a show no how I go on. Yeah, man. So big up to all my viewers and subscribers. So when me do out here, just a show no how I go on now, guys. Yeah, man. Meanwhile, me out here. So right now, I kind of heading back and thing. Yeah, man. Don't know. Yeah, people, so as you now see, beautiful sunset around here, so same way now, guys. Yeah, man. So right now, guys, me head out on the land. Yeah, man. Don't know now, guys. Me show you the water. What I go on. And thing, wanna see how the bus fly through the water now, guys. Yeah, man. So right now, lightning kind of flash, so me a head out right now. You know, yeah, man. We just do this for you guys can see what's going on. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm kind of afraid still, now, guys. But they're out here. They know that is it. Trust the process. That is it. Peace out. That a go on, now, guys. Something, now, guys. Today, every rain come down and thing. Yeah, man. So right now. Swan crab here, guys. Swan crab here, guys. No know if you can see me. Go back to his stump. Show no what go on, guys. So what go on, guys. Big piece of crab, no, guys. All the crab man them. I'll catch crab tonight like sun. Yeah. That a go on, my people. Cool light. Light for days. Them a look for crab, no, guys. You want to catch crab tonight, man. Enough. So right now, I touch on the road. Yeah, man. Afraid man can't come on water, no. Right now, crocodile in the water. Yeah. So you have to know what you have to do. And my own crab. Okay. Better go on and eat. Real crab light. Better go on, guys. Least one more bus, no, sir. What? Heavy down there. Heavy, man. Heavy. Boy, I not think so, nah. Yeah, heavy, man. Heavy.